Good morning, all of you. Today we are back with a new lesson. I think you understood the previous lesson very well. So, in the previous class, we had completed the fifth chapter. So, as you all know, the fifth chapter, the name of the fifth chapter was Separation of Substances. And in that chapter, we studied how to separate the substances. Today, we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Changes Around Us. Okay, so let us move further with the chapter. You can see many things that are changed, and that's what we are going to discuss in this chapter. So, many changes occur around us on their own. Leaves fall from the trees, change color, and they dry out. Flowers bloom and wither away. Your nails grow. Your hair grows. You grow tall, right? Your weight increases, which can happen. So all these are the things which you can. So now we are going to study one activity. Activity 1. Take a balloon and you blow it. Observe the shape and size of the balloon. Now let the air escape from the balloon. What you do? You take a balloon, you blow it, and you observe the shape and size of the balloon. Now you let the air escape from the balloon. This is our first activity. So all we know, once the air escapes, then the balloon will come back to the original size. Correct? When you blow air, the balloon size will increase, as you can see on the screen. Then balloon will come back to its original size. Now another activity. Activity 2. You take a sheet of paper and you make a toy plane. So I think all of you know the steps to make a toy plane, right? So you can see step 1. You have to fold the paper. Then you have to make a triangle like shape at the top. And then you have to fold it and you make a aeroplane out of that. Aeroplane will look like this, right? And it will fly when you send it, right? Now what you do, after playing with the aeroplane, you unfold it. Unfold means first step, how you can see, same like that you will get. Okay, so you can get the original paper along with you. Now let us see activity 3. Activity 3, what you have to do, you have to take some dough and you have to make a ball. Okay, what you have to do, you have to take a dough and make a ball. You have to try to roll out a roti. Okay, to try to make a roti. Can you see? Picture number 13. What is there? You get the dough and you have to make a ball. And then you have to roll out and make a roti. Now when in this picture the shape of the roti is correct or the shape of the chapati is correct. But when we are making it, sometimes maybe the shape may not be correct. So what you do, you don't want that shape. So again you are rolling it and you can make the dough and you can get the dough back. Correct? So now observations of activity 1, 2 and 3. In first activity, that was blowing the balloon. Was it possible to get back the balloon? Yes, we were able to get the balloon back. Okay. In the second activity, was the shape and size of the paper same after making an aeroplane? You made an aeroplane and again you unfolded it. At that time you got the same paper back again. Right? Third experiment we did. Was it possible to get back the shape of the dough again? Yes, we were able to roll that again. So was it possible to get back the material with which we started the activity? First activity, we started the balloon. After blowing the balloon, we got back the balloon in the same shape and size. Second, we made the aeroplane with the paper. That time we again got the paper back by unfolding it. Then we rolled the chapati. We were able to get the ball, dove ball again, right? Now, we will see activity 4. In activity 4, you have to take the same balloon. And what you have to do, you have to blow it to the same size and tie its mouth with a string. Okay. Then you have to prick it with the pointed tip of your pencil. You can see in the picture. You have to prick it with a pencil. What will happen? The balloon will break, correct? Making a great sound. Now can you get the balloon back? No, the balloon is broken. You cannot get it to its original size and shape back. It's broken. Okay. Now, activity 5. You take the same piece of paper with which you made the aeroplane. Now what you do? On that piece of paper only you draw an aeroplane. And you have to cut the aeroplane along the outline. Can you see? You can cut the aeroplane, right? Will you get the aeroplane after cutting? Will you get the paper back? No. You will not be able to get the paper back to its original shape and size. Once you cut out the aeroplane, then you cannot get the same piece of paper, right? The piece of paper is gone. Activity 6. What you do? You roll out the roti from the ball of dough. Okay. Then what you do? You put it on the tawa and you heat it, right? Then what you get? You get tasty chapatis. But can you get the dough from this ball of, from this chapati? Can you make the dough? No, this is not possible, right? So, observations of activity 4, 5 and 6. Was it possible to get back the balloon? No. Was the shape and size of the paper same after making an aeroplane? No. Was it possible to get back the shape of the dough again? No, we already made a chapati from that. Was it possible to get back to the material with which we started the activity? It was not possible, right? So, in activity 1, 2 and 3, we were able to get the original material. But in activity 4, 5 and 6, we were not able to get the original material. Keeping this in our mind, let us complete this table, right? Table in your textbook, right? This table in your textbook help us to understand some common changes. Page number 48 of your textbook, table 6.1. Raw egg to boiled egg. Can you get it back? No. Okay. Once you boil the egg, you cannot get the raw egg back. Batter to idli. Can you convert once you make the idli from the batter? Can you again get the batter? No. Wet clothes to dry clothes. Yes. Once the clothes are dry, again you put in water, you can make it wet. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Yes. After removing the knits, you can get the woolen yarn back. Grain to its floor. Once you make the floor, you cannot get the grain back. So the answer should be no. Okay. What is the answer? The answer is no. It is not yes. I have written yes, but the answer is no. Okay. Cold milk to hot milk. Yes, we can get it back. Straight string to a coil string. Yes, we can get it back. Bud to a flower. No. Once the bud becomes a flower, you cannot get the bud back. Milk to paneer. No. Once you change the milk to paneer, you cannot get the milk back. Cow dung to biogas. No. Stretch rubber band to its normal size. Yes. Ice cream to molten ice cream. Yes. Molten ice cream, if you again keep in the fridge, you will get the previous ice cream only. Right? With this, we are going to end today's chapter. Right? I hope all of you understood the simple changes. Some changes we can get back, some changes we cannot get back. So we will discuss this further in the online class. Thank you very much.